Hello, kiddos. It is time to do some blending. And blending is when we take letter sounds and we sound them out to blend them into words. And that's how we learn how to read. This is something I've worked with you guys a lot on the under the overhead. And we have fun learning new words and how to read this way. So, ready? We are going to start with the sound V, V. Now, what happens if I put I, like igloo, I, V, I? What if I add a K, like cat, V, I, K? Vic. Good job. That's a person's name. What if I were to take away the K and add a N sound? V, I, N. VIN. A VIN number is a number on a car identifying it from all the other cars like it. Every car has a special number. Kind of like a birthmark in a way, I guess. Now, let's put the N back. Here's something cool. If I take away the V sound, often if you have these three letters, I-N-E, it isn't I-N-E, it is ein. Say ein, like pine tree. So what's going to happen is it's not going to be like how it was V-I-N-E. The E isn't, it changes everything. So remember, this now sounds like ein. What happens if I add the V? V, ein. Great job, just like part of a plant. I'm going to take away that N and the E, and I'm going to go V, E, like egg, T. V, E, T. Vet. Yeah, good job. What if I take away the E and add an A, like apple? V, A, T. Vat. Yes, like a vat. It's like a big pot, kind of. Now let's take the T sound away and let's add a N. I want you to click the add response button, click the microphone, and read this word to me all by yourself. I absolutely know you can do it. Good luck and have fun.